Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to keep and care your cast iron skillet. So as you can see here on my skillet, it's very rusty. And I bought this like 2 days ago. And I washed it regularly like how you wash a regular pot. Just put it down in the drain. When I came back and looked at it, this was what it looked like. So I'm going to show you how to get that nice and shiny looking all the time. So forward and see what I'm going. Alright, so let me show you how you start this skillet to get it looking nice and clean. So I'm going to go with some soap. So just before you wash this, you want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit because we're going to be putting it in the oven. And we're going to go in with a wire steel wool. Going with a bit of soap. So the coarse salt, call it coarse salt. What the coarse salt does is to help to remove the rust from the pan. Look how dark that is. That's from all the rust. You don't want that in your food. We're going to repeat that on the outside. So now we're just going to rinse that right off. Look at that dirt. Look at that water. So you see we have that rinsed and it's looking nice. This one spot, that's from the metal. I'm gonna go in with some more soap and wash it with my sponge. Just to get whatever excess dirt from it. It's a light wash and no salt this time around. So there you have it, it's looking a bit cleaner now. I'm gonna go in with some hand towel and dry it. So you realize that it's still looking a bit messy from the hand towel. If you look carefully, you'll see it starting to look as if it's getting rusty again. We're gonna fix that right now. We're gonna get some cooking oil, put it onto our hand towel, not too damp. We're gonna light the oil pot right around. You wanna get behind the handles as well. And then to finish that off, we're gonna go in with a multi-surface cleaning rag that doesn't have any lint to remove these. Just dust those right out. And to remove the excess oil, because we don't want when we put this in the oven, it comes out sticky. So we put the oil on it to get the sheen and as well as to stop it from becoming rusty. You may be wondering, why am I showing you a video of a pot? But until you own a cast iron pot, you're going to know the importance of this method, because no matter how clean you wash it and put it down in your drain, it's gonna become rusty if you do not apply the oil and put it in the oven. You can thank me later for this method. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven for about 20 minutes. When it comes out, you'll see what it looks like. So forward, let me show you what I want. So we took our pan out the oven and this is what it looks like. And this is what you have to do after each use with your cast iron to keep it looking shiny and new. And there you have it, how to keep and care your cast iron pot at home here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
But know you fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.